Hey guys, in this video we'll learn how you can fix Minecraft stuttering. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open up your file explorer on your PC. Navigate to local disk C, then Windows, System 32, Game Bar, Presence Writer, and open its details. Go over to Security tab, select Advanced Options, then click on Change Embed at the top. Enter your admin name and then click on Check Names button and click on OK. Again, open up the Advanced Options. Now add new registry with the same admin name. Save it again and then open the advanced settings for the last time. Now just click on Change, paste the following statements and close it after saving the settings. Now change the name of the file with any number at the end. The other thing you can do is to download and install MSI Afterburner with this box checked while installation to keep check and balance. And after doing so, most probably your Minecraft stutterings will be fixed. This is basically how you can fix your Minecraft stuttering. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be waiting in the next one. See you soon. Bye.